Hello friends, it's Crazy Cheap Chick. I'm getting ready to make dinner, so come along. I'll show you all the steps and maybe I'll give you some ideas on what to make tonight or next week. And at the end of the video, I'm going to break down how much it costs to make this meal. It's pretty inexpensive. These are Brussels sprouts. I cut them in half. I've drizzled them with olive oil. I put a little bit of just season oil on them, not very much. And I'm also going to add some garlic. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. I'm going to mix them up and put them out on this pan, roast them in the oven. I don't know, what do you think? 350 for about half an hour, 20 minutes. This is just sliced up sausage, onion, green pepper, sauteed in olive oil, and I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes. We'll go ahead and put a little garlic in there too, and maybe some rosemary. I got my rosemary and garlic. I might as well go ahead and add a little basil and a little bit of oregano. Then we'll taste it. Well, the secret ingredient is always just a little bit of sugar or salt or fat. Tastes pretty good though. I got this kale for $1.40. I'm gonna make a salad with it, but since I have so much, I think I'll throw some in the sauce too. It'll cook down to nothing. You won't even know it's there. That's how you get your kids to eat kale. I chopped up some kale. I opened these mandarin oranges and I drained them, but I reserved the liquid. Now I'm going to add some chopped walnuts. Oh, that's going to be good. Now, to make my dressing, I'm just going to use this orange stir-fry sauce. I'm going to put some in a bowl. And this is the reserved mandarin orange juice. I'll stir that up and see how it tastes. That dressing is really good, and that's all it is Aldi's orange stir-fry sauce and the sauce out of the mandarin oranges I put in the salad. Now I'm going to put a little bit of granola on top of this salad. I'm using this Bare Naked wildly delicious granola fruit and nut medley that I bought last week on sale. And I'm going to put that on top. These strawberries were on sale for $1.88, but they're not very ripe. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of strawberry jam. Try one. Not with the spoon.
Well, what with?
There you go.
I gotta use the spoon. You can get another spoon. Good.
Helps, doesn't it? Helps when the strawberries aren't quite ripe. I've been roasting the Brussels sprouts and the carrots, but now this is maple syrup. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Drizzle some on. To make them kind of candied.
That's good.
Do it on the carrots too. Oh, that was way too much.
Have to smile when I do it?
No,
Okay.
you just have to taste it as well.
Okay.
Good.
They're sweet.
Figured if I put sugar on them, you might eat them.
Yeah.
I think it turned out pretty good. Ravioli with sausage and tomato sauce. Some roasted carrots, some roasted Brussels sprouts, kale and mandarin orange salad, and some strawberries for dessert. Here are all the ingredients for that meal. And I think I've got everything except maybe just like a little tablespoon of sugar or a teaspoon of garlic. Not very much, and I kind of overcounted on the maple syrup. So I think that meal came in around $17.39. And 3 of us ate it. So if you divide that amount by 3, you come to $5.79 a meal. But really, it was 4 meals because I ate it again the next day. And so 4 meals out of that was $4.35 per person. And even the dog had some, so there was plenty. If John Wayne had been here for lunch, there would have been plenty for him. We would have gotten 5 meals out of it. If you want to make it just a little bit less expensive, take out the Brussels sprouts. You could even substitute some corn or peas, something that's only 97 cents. It'd be a little bit less expensive. And then you wouldn't need the maple syrup either. So if you took that out, it would be $14.35 or $4.78 a person, or if you counted as 4 meals, $3.59 per meal. This would easily feed 2 adults and a couple of kids. And it's a pretty healthy meal. It had 7 vegetables in it, had 2 fruit in it. If you really wanted to make it less expensive, don't buy that ravioli. Get a package of 99-cent linguine or some angel hair pasta, and you could shave off another $4. But as you can see, it's always less expensive to eat at home than it is to eat out. Well, friends, that meal was really pretty good. I hope you enjoyed following along. Maybe it'll give you an idea of something you can make pretty inexpensive. And if you got anything out of the video, please give me a like, comment, share, subscribe. I think I'm going to start making more videos showing what I make and how much it costs. So if you would enjoy that, give me a like so I know to keep it up. Have a good one.